how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Krypto the super dog from the League of Super Pets. It's gonna be simple, easy, completely for beginners, so let's get started, okay? Stick around for the whole thing because it's gonna be a really short lesson. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over here and draw a straight line over here for the nose. Top of the nose. Curve over here to the front of the nose. And I'm gonna pull downward in kind of this triangle way. Gonna go over here on this side, curve around the corner, and pull straight down here for the triangle. Gonna find the nostril by going like this, kind of like a U shape, and I'm gonna fill that in. Okay. Gonna go over here to the top, curve, down over here, up, smile, and over here at the corner of the mouth. I'm gonna go right here to draw the first eye, okay? It's gonna be like line here, curve line here, curve line for the side of the mouth, curve, line over here for the side of the cheek here, curve up here for the front of the brow, okay? Line right there for kind of that kind of the brow as well. Line over here, same thing. Down over here, back, curve down, back here for the other eye. Now I'm gonna draw the inner eye over here. So I'm gonna draw a curve right here, curve right here, highlight, it's like a square highlight. I'm gonna fill in the dark part of the eye. It's gonna be pretty big, honestly, compared to the rest of the area, like so. Gonna go to the bottom of the mouth here, and I'm gonna draw line down, curve back, up. Line over here, up, curve down, over here on this area, pull down here, curve, and down here. I'm gonna fill that in. Line up, down, down over here, curve up. That's a far side ear, right? Don't forget, by the way, if you like this kind of stuff, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification right now. I put up 3 lessons every single day. It's gonna be awesome, it's exciting. Every one of them is on different topics. So I can go over Godzilla, Sonic, go over many different things in the Sonic universe and Godzilla universe. Every character you can think about, I do it. So absolutely subscribe, okay? There's nothing to lose. You can always unsubscribe later if it's like annoying or anything like that, but it's not gonna be, it's just gonna be a bunch of stuff on your feed. Not a bunch of stuff, but every now and then you'll see my video on your feed, right? And you can learn to draw something really cool that day. So no downside, hit that subscribe. Otherwise, you know, it's kind of hard to find videos in general. Gonna go over here, the inner ear, curve, down. And now we're gonna draw the neck. His neck is pretty big, honestly. I'm gonna go down. Over here now, go kind of around the mouth area. Pulling forward, he's got a pretty big neck. Line across here. Pretty much straight across for the collar, pulling up. I'm gonna go over here and put this edge of that collar down, up, curve up here, down, down over here for the cape, as you can tell, right, for the back of the cape there. Line, line, line. Well, it's not, it's just be more, sorry, I'm gonna extend that a little bit. Maybe put a little bit of dark over here. I don't want to make that look like an eyelash, but that's why I make it look dark under there. Like you can see the brow. Maybe a line underneath here. And now I'm gonna draw the S symbol right here. So line, line, downward, up, okay? Gonna go over here, and I'm gonna draw down, angle, over here, so part of that S, and a D shape over here for the back of that S. Down, down, line over here, line over here. Just kind of a line all around the edges like a border. But that's like the general symbol, right? And then maybe a line out there for the rest of his chest, but you don't really have to do that. You know, I mean, you don't have to do this. It's like a vignette, right? You can throw a little bit of shadow down here as well, because there's actually gonna be like shadow right here, right? Like underneath the cape. And that's, you know, to kind of show that off. If you want, I will absolutely do another version. Let's see, let's go to the far side cape. There you go. I will do another version where you see his entire body, but I need you to say what's up. I need you to be like, hey, how's it going? Saw your video and I liked it and I want this other version. If you say that, I will totally make it happen, okay? Just let me know. Other than that, that's mostly it. Let's go over some final touches just to kind of look around here. If you want, you can darken out like part of the ear in the back. Line over there, and you can even fill in that entire ear to kind of give it a good contrast. By the way, it doesn't matter what you use. You can use a pencil, pen, doesn't matter. You can use a marker. I like the marker because it just shows very, very quickly on camera for you to see, and that's kind of it, okay? Like I said, if you like this, hit that like. What I want you to do as well, if you enjoyed the video, if you're actually hearing my voice right now, please take less than a second and share the video with anybody. Share it with a friend, share it on Reddit, share it on Twitter. Anything you share brings back a huge, cool, like, I don't know, a bunch of people that are really nice. Everybody that comes here through recommendations, really amazing. And I love them. So honestly, it's really amazing. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video, and hit me up. See you later, artists. Stay positive. For skills, go right here to this video on here, on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now. Another short video.